So you might be familiar how some apps on your Android phone have shortcuts built into them, and you can access those by long pressing the app icon. So if I long press this Messages app, for example, it gives me a couple of options. For example, start a new conversation or jump to my most frequently used conversation with my buddy Ryan. So instead of opening the app first and then manually finding the conversation within the app and tapping myself into that conversation, I can save time with a shortcut. I could just long press the app and then tap Ryan, and it goes straight to the conversation with him. That's the shortcut, right? Now, you can add these app shortcuts to your home screen to speed things up even more. And to do that, you just long press an app that supports the shortcuts, and then take the shortcut that you want. And we're simply going to tap, hold, and drag that shortcut to the home screen. Now things are even easier because I don't have to long press the Messages app. I can just tap that shortcut, and it takes me directly into that conversation. Pretty cool, huh? You can do this with any app. Let's say I'm doing it with Google Maps. I could pick my home or work address here, for example, and let's take my work address, for example. I'll put it on my home screen, and now anytime I want directions to work, I would just tap that, and it opens up Google Maps, and it automatically pulls up a route to that address without me having to do it manually. That's quite a commute, by the way, so I'm not going to go there right now. The only thing to note is that the shortcuts available for each app cannot be customized. The options that pop up when you long press an icon are hard-coded by the app developers themselves. They usually update based on your app usage, but you can't directly modify them without using third-party apps. And that's all I got. If this video helped you, please let me know by clicking that like button down there. Thanks all, until next time.